All right, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is George, and I'll be continuing in my series of quick labs demos on YouTube to help you learn how to navigate the quick labs UI. Okay, so today we'll be looking at error reporting and debugging. Okay, let's start quickly. We open this in a private window or incognito window, depending on which browser you're using. Then we log in. Just give it a few seconds for the login interface to appear. Okay, I seem to be having issues with my network. All right, so we'll log in using these credentials. The network is terrible today, so a lot of things will be super slow. Okay, so I'll stop this video and return once my UI appears. Okay, we're back. So objectives here: lab setup, task, create an application, explore cloud error reporting, review, and then end the lab. Time limit is 1 hour, so let's click on start lab. Let's ensure we're not robots. Boats. That's about it. Okay. Okay, so let's open this in new tab. Take the password from here. Come in here. Because of the state of my network, I'll be doing a lot of breaks in between instead of having you to wait till my expected UI comes in. So I'll take a break here. When it comes in, I'll come back. All right, we're back. Okay, put in the password. Slight delay. The network is very erratic today, more than other days. Okay, we could be reading through. We talked about objectives. Let's look at the first one: create an application. Activate the shell, make a directory, change to the directory, then pull in some stuff from this. Let me zoom in from this cloud storage bucket, GAE-hello, and then to run the application using the local development server in Cloud Shell, run the following command. Okay, so press this stands for present working directory. I think that's it. Present working directory. It tells you it passes the location, the path to the current location, and then gives that to this particular application, and then the application does what it needs to do. Okay, so of course before deploying to App Engine, because this is an App Engine application, always test it locally and that's okay, then you can move forward with deploying to your App Engine instance. You create one app engine instance per project, but you can have different services on that App Engine. Okay. All right, so let's activate our Cloud Shell and then do what we need to do as instructed here. Okay, so let me come in here. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, then we run this. Let me click this once more. Copied. Okay, that's done. If you were to do this. Okay, that's the path. It's a directory. It's supposed to do echo. So let me do this. Okay. Okay, so that's the path there. So let's do this and run that. All right, so okay, so in the Cloud Shell preview on port 8080. So I think this is, no, that's not here. Terminal preview. Okay, so on port 8080. This would be the same thing you would do if you were running it on your system. You would just simply go to port 8080 on your computer, and of course you see hello world. I'll zoom in a bit. So hello world. All right, so the next thing says we should Ctrl C to stop the application and then deploy by running this command. Okay. All right, so Ctrl C. All right, we'll run that command. 1 minute. Okay, so a bit of research, and the answer is boost all network performance, reducing monitoring overhead. It doesn't do this because it actually adds a bit to that. Faster problem resolutions, definitely. Multi-cloud monitoring, yes. I think there are options to monitor on even on AWS. What the benefit will be boosting network performance. It doesn't boost network performance in any way. Okay, so let's refresh our application and see what happens. Okay, it goes back. Okay, so that's that for this lab. Some of these quizzes you will need to do a bit of research to answer them. Please do. I didn't know of the answers for this one. I was sure of this one. Sure of this one, definitely. This AWS monitoring from cloud operations, that's also possible if you install the agent on your AWS instances and then allow access from traffic from that instance to GCP cloud. Then you should be able to monitor that one. Okay, thank you for watching. Leave your questions and likes, please. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Of course, remember to end your lab.